Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious beef stew. So first off, I started off by washing my beef. I had already cut it into smaller pieces, so that's totally up to you. You can cut it into whatever sizes you would prefer. As you can see, I'm just rinsing it off. Once I was done, I began adding spices. That's paprika, so I had to put some paprika in there and then added in garlic powder. You can add as many spices as you like depending on your taste. So that's chopsticks. It's a very good spices. So just need to know that the spices that I might enjoy may not be those that you like. So feel free to use whatever you love. And then I did add in some salt. Then I gave it a good mix, as you can see. Then I worked on my onions. I put on the pot on the fire, added some oil, and once it was hot, I threw in the onions along with a little salt. I then added some raja. I really love this spice so much. It's one of my favorite spices. So I stirred it off until they were nicely cooked. Next, I started pressing the beef into the pot one by one and gave it a flip on both sides so that it can cook for some 2 to 5 minutes. So I fried the beef until it started turning golden brown. So once that was ready, I added in the tomatoes, gave them a good mix so that everything is nicely mixed in there. Then I covered the pot so they could cook down nicely. As you can see, it was already looking so good. Then I poured in 2 cups of water. The amount of water depends on the size of your beef, but for me 2 cups was perfect. And then I added in a seasoning cube. So this was Knorr beef cube. And then let everything cook for over an hour. That my beef was perfectly done. As you can see, I served it with vegetables and nsima. And let me be honest with you guys, this was so good. As it is looking, that's how it tasted. Just look at how nicely it turned out. The meat was so soft and tender. Let's try the food together. Karibu. And this was a 10 out of 10 dish. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you do, and also like this video and leave a comment so you don't miss more food content videos from me. Until next time, it's a bye for me.